They slipping on. I know they slipping on. I know that shit that I'm wearing embarrassing everyone else. I don't care. I know my brothers, they got me. They know that I got them. They call me, I'm there.
Hey guys, how are you all doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you how to hack Subway Surfers with lucky patches. So let's start. You all know the way how to do it. See you all when the patching is done, guys. Well guys, I have to appreciate all those who like my videos and also the subscribers. Thank you very much. Hopefully in this video I get more likes and more subscribers. That will be greatly appreciated for those who do. So, patching. Guys, now the patching is done, so you can just directly go to file, uninstall and install. As you always be knowing that my device is Marshmallow. I like the device, guys. It's fully protected. It's got a tempered glass and a shockproof cover behind. Thumbs up. Guys, it's done. So let's open up the app. Sorry, the game. Amsterdam. Whoa. I realized something really awesome. The left. And the girl. Okay, that's loud. Guys, I'll be back 1 minute. So guys, let's complete this starting part. Sorry about the lag, guys. Let me check what is that first. Okay, it's alright, it's another side. Ah, man. Okay, now. Let's do it. You tap on the plus sign on the top right corner and buy whatever you want. Done. Boom. I hope you like this video, guys. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I'll be back with some more gaming and hacking, guys. Hold on.
Don't be scared.
I'll see you later, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.